Nĩ ngatho mwĩroreri wa Kameme TV uri haria hothe uri cihadite wega thaa mũgwanja nĩ mĩaraho ĩngĩ na nĩ Jumatatu ya mweri 15 nĩ mweri wa Mũgaa wa Kerĩ na nĩ gatagatĩ ka mweri rikana rĩu mwaka ũyũ watigia o mĩeri 3 na nuthu ũkorwo ũkĩinĩkĩrĩra ndikiwĩkana resolution iria wabangire no ũrarũmĩrĩra no reke hau gutigire niĩ ndoka kumenyithia ũrĩa bũrũri ũtariĩ njitagwo Mwaura wa Ndung'u na twina wagaki wa Muthoni thĩinĩ wa mwemerekia na njĩra ya ciĩko ĩtĩkĩra gũtwarana naniĩ. Gavana wa kaunti ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja hwaĩ wa ira nĩ aratongoria mĩhang'o ya gũtheria gatagatĩ ka mũciĩ mũnene wa Nairobi ũkũningia kĩũria gĩkundi kĩa Green Army makorwo marĩ mũhari-inĩ wa mbere kũiga mũciĩ wa Nairobi ũrĩ mũtheru. Hĩndĩ ya mĩhang'o ĩno Sakaja nĩ eranĩire wĩrutĩri wa thirikari yake kũgacĩrithia mĩrutĩre ya wĩra ya aikari a kaunti ya Nairobi kũrĩa aretigagĩrĩra gĩko nĩ kĩonganio ihinda rĩrĩa rĩagĩrĩire o ũndũ ũmwe na gũthondeka mĩtaro ya gũte maĩ ma gĩko.
I gave you a promise. Si ni kweli? Na vile nilitoa ahadi hiyo, watu wengi waliniambia itakuwa makosa kubwa kuconfirm Green Army kama permanent and pensionable. Nataka munisikize. Walisema ya kwamba mkiwa confirmed mtalegea kwa kazi. I want to confirm, tangu mshike barua nimeona nguvu imeongezeka, jitihada zimeongezeka na bado, si ndio hiyo? I want you to know I always keep my word. Nikisema nitafanya kitu nitafanya, hata saa nyingine kichelewa kidogo nitafanya.
Na tukiuma Nairobi tuthie kaunti ya Naikuru makiri ma nyamũ cia gĩthaka nĩ ithamĩtio kuma imamo-inĩ ciacio kumana na kuongereka kwa maĩ iria-inĩ rĩa Naivasha, ũndũ ũrĩa ũcũngĩrĩirie kuongereka gwa tharĩkĩra cia nyamũ kuona ikoretwo igĩkora aikari nginyagia mĩciĩ-inĩ yao. Kũringana na atongoria kuma matũũra matiganĩte, makĩria ma nyũmba 3,000 nĩcio ihutĩtio nĩ thĩna ũyũ na kũrĩa makĩria ma andũ 15,000 mathamĩtio kwao nĩ mũiyũro wa maĩ kuma iria-inĩ rĩrĩ. Na atongoria aya maugĩte kwa ihinda rĩrĩ aikari maraikara na ho ya gũtharĩkĩrwo nĩ nyamũ.
Household iko na familia ya zaidi ya watu 4 ama 3. Kwa hivyo tukiongea mambo ya 3,000 households, tunaongea about 15,000 watu 15,000 wamekuwa displaced hapa Kehoto. Niombe serikali ya kwamba iweze kufanya compensation kwa hawa watu. Maanake watu wako na title deeds na hizi title deeds hazikutoka binguni. Hizi title deeds they were processed by governments that were there. Na function ya government ni kuwa truthful to the people.
Ukitoka nje usitoka nje, juu kiboko imejaa huku. Ukitoka hapa hivi ni kiboko. Saa moja tusipita pale juu kiboko, tunateseka kabisa. Sababu hata kupita ni maji, umbu ndio hiyo, njaa ndio hiyo. Sisi tuna masuri. Tunateseka kabisa. Sababu ukitoka hapa ukielekea huko unapita kwa maji. Kupita kwa maji unaweza teresa uanguke chini. Hakuna kenye inakuja, biashara ya hapa imeharibika kabisa. Maji bila ilikuja, imekuja tu kigafla sana. Tu kujua inaweza kuja hivi na ukitafuta bila unaweza ama uenda kwengine. Nyumba ya 2,000, sasa ni 4,000 na deposit 4,000 na ni singu na pengine ikutosi. Ukienda unaambiwa kama uko na watoto hatutaki hapa. Mwenye ako na mtoto hatuwezi tuka.
na twakihoka nime guteithika kana kiriro kiao ni gikiguika. Ngwataniro ya ciama nini cia kiuteti itanyihire 50 ni rutire mukana kamiti njeru ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC makimekuruhania na gukorwo nyitanire na jama iria rathundwo ya guthutukania ciama nini na kuifuja mbere ya githurano kinene kia mwaka wa 2027. Kwitukira ndumiriri erekereirio ni muikari giti wao Dr. Augustus Muli maugite matiko guoyohio ni mikana kana jama o yothe irathugundwo ya kumahigira ciama hindi mekurugama na kihoto na gatiba iria kiria kimahete hinya wa uhoti wa kuba ciama ici ikuruhanio ni IEBC.
Mpe simu acheze game.
Weka hapo laptop hapo.
Tumeziedit kidogo, but the points ni hizo nne tu.
Nswanya United Progressive Alliance, Executive Director.
We are grateful that the nation family has a fully constituted IEBC commission in place and that we are firmly on the path to 2027 general elections. However, we are alarmed by the attitude the commission has adopted towards political parties. The commission has met with churches, foreign embassies, NGOs and other groups, but not with political parties who are its principal stakeholders. Even as we prepare for the upcoming by-elections, the commission stubbornly refuses to engage with us. Therefore, to Mr. Erastus Edung Ethekong, Fahima Arafat Abdallah, Moses Alutala Muhwana, Ann Jerry Nderitu, Mary Karen Sorobit, Hassan Nur Hassan, and Professor Francis Odhiambo Oduol, please be advised that political parties will be paying you a visit soon. The role of political parties is not a matter to be taken for granted, as the IEBC Commission seems to be doing. And the earlier you realize this, the better.
Naguo bururi wa Kenya ni uranyitire ugeni mabura magotuga ikundi tiganete na andu kiumbe kumana na itemi riria makoretwo makinyita kwagirithia mituri ya ikari ya gitaro kia Afrika. Amwe ya andu aria maratugirwo ni atongoria makabuni matiganete andu kiumbe aria makoretwo magikuruhania na uthunduri ndumwe na utongoria murugamiri munene wa gikundi kia Jubilant Stewards Africa kiria kiratongoragia mabura maya Jared Oudo augite undu uyu ni uguteithiriria thirikari cia mabũrũri matiganete gitaro-ini kia Afrika kumahotithia gwithia garama ya kuhura biashara.
The reason we do this is to create a platform where companies and individuals who go beyond the call of duty can showcase what they do. You know, most people do good things, but they are not honored. They don't feel they are appreciated. So when you feel you're appreciated, most entrepreneurs will now create more jobs, will feel better, create more jobs, better the economy, yeah. And when they create more jobs, of course, when there are a lot of money is pumped into the economy grows.
As a country, that is something that we need to emulate, we need to emphasize on, that we need to work together and empower the private sector and push the private sector so that our economy can be pushed forward. What has happened today, if you ask me, is one of those things that will improve recognition of hard work.
We basically embrace the talents. When it comes to software development, each and every person can become a software developer in one way or another. We're living in an era that has AI. So at any prompt that you do, let's say for example, you want to learn how to create a website, and there are a lot of people, there are a lot of businesses out here which do not have website. And you as a young people, because we have the honor of having access to things like internet, you can easily teach yourself a skill like create a website, approach any business person you know, or any business that you know, and you can develop
from the age of 12 all the way till 25, yeah, to help young people discover who they are, what they carry, what are their key strengths, their weaknesses, as well as also what are their key talents and giftings. Because I truly believe that everybody has a genius.
Nake mubunge wa Manyata Gitonga Mukunji ni areganite na rĩendekithia o rĩothe rĩa kuongerera ikereka rĩa wathani wa president na atongoria arĩa mathuurĩtwo nĩ mũingĩ, akiuga ũndũ ũyũ nĩ wa kũrehera bũrũri gĩconokoku na kũrĩ na mathĩna maingĩ magomeire bũrũri. Kũringana na watho ũrĩa ũthugundĩtwo nĩ Senator wa Nandi Samson Cherargei ũrenda gwĩkwo mogarũrũku thĩinĩ wa gatiba na kuongerera ikereka rĩa wathani kuma mĩaka 5 nginyagia mĩaka 7. Mukunji augĩte kũrĩ na maũndũ maingĩ mabataire kuhingio mbere ya ũndũ ta ũyũ ũthugundĩtwo.
50 umepledge ya ile siku. Nimeweka hapo. Sawa leta. Tababa. For you right now, lift up your hands. Father,
thank you so much. Once again, we appreciate the Lord. We are coming almost to the tail end of this service.
Tuongezewe miaka 2 ati to serve 7 years. Na hiyo ni mjadala imeletwa na mtu mmoja wa serikali anaitwa Cherargei. Kwanza, I want to confirm that kama Senate watapitisha hiyo maneno, ikifika National Assembly, afadhali mimi niruke somersault, lakini hakuna kitu kama hiyo inaweza pita kama Mukunji yako bunge. Because it's actually a shame that we can discuss matters to do with years of leadership ambayo iko katika katiba ya Kenya na imewekwa, wakati hatujaongea maneno ya wale vijana wetu wengi ambao wako nje na hawana kazi. As a leader you only need 5 years ili watu wajue wewe uko na network ama una network. Ukweli mwongo? 5 imetosha ili urudi tena kwa wananchi wakwambie unatosha mboga ama utoshi. Si ni ukweli kanisa? So I want to say here at Reigns Ministry ya kwamba a discussion on matters to do with increment of years of leadership is a discussion in vain and a discussion that is not supposed to happen in this nation at this time when people are actually reeling in a lot of poverty and with a lot of confusion. Hatujaweza hata kuprotect watu yetu against police brutality.
Kuma Embu tuthie kaunti Shirigaini kaunti ya Kirinyaga. Bunge ya kaunti ya Kirinyaga niranire guthie na mbere kunyitirira mbeo njethi mathako-ini niguo mahote kwiyeherania na uhuthiri wa dawa cia kurebia na unyui wa njohi. Makiaria mwena wa Kabonge matongoretio ni MCA wa Mukure Thomas Muriuki, atongoria aya maugite kugerera mathako mbeo njethi maroka hamwe makaraniria na makahota gwikuria.
MCS bunge-ini ya kaunti ya Kirinyaga mekinyetie mwena wa Kabonge Mukure mihang'o-ini ya kunyitira mbeu njethi mathako-ini mubango-ini wa kumeherania na maundu matagiriire. Kuringana na MCA wa Mukure Thomas Muriuki, makoretwo makihariria mathako ma mbeu njethi matura-ini na nigukoretwo na ugaruku munene kuona mbeu njethi ni mahotete gwikura kuma ukombo-ini wa njohi na dawa cia kurebia.
Andu ni mokaga na o mundu ni njoyo muthaki uma kibaro umuthi no nginya akorwe kuna kaunduma nako. Koguo ithuĩ ta county government no tabare chairman witu wa sports which sports committee ndi